Hey guys, it's Itshlengy. So today I'm going to show you how botanic clay bowl. You're going to need 2 spoons of botanic clay. Trust me guys, this mask works like magic. I use it once a month. I don't need to use a lot of it because my skin is normal. And put 2 spoons of apple cider vinegar. If your mask is a bit wet, you can add a little bit of more or add water to make the mask a bit of like a paste. I'm gonna add rose water. I love using rose water than normal water because my mask doesn't go bad quickly. So by using rose water, my mask can last about a week without going bad. This face mask is good at opening your pores and getting rid of dark marks on your face, and if you're suffering from acne or pimples, you can use this mask. It's totally safe to use. I use it at least once a month. I don't have to do too much. So now I'm just gonna apply the mask. I'm gonna use my fingers. As you can see, I don't need too much. I'm just gonna use my fingers to apply the mask on my face. You should leave it for about 15 to 30 minutes. You know, apple cider vinegar can sting, so make sure that when you mix the apple cider vinegar with water, because apple cider vinegar can have a strong smell. So, or you can add essential oils too. So let your mask to dry on your face like this, and then you can wash your face afterwards and apply the lotion that you need. And that's it guys, bye.